back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making a Chinese takeout this evening. So I will be using rice, and I will be using beef, onions, we'll be using mushroom, carrot, ginger, salt, and we'll be using a broccoli, oil, and liquid Maggi, brown sugar, and we'll be using also wine, cooking wine. We'll be using thick teriyaki and soy sauce. So those are the ingredients we will be using for this one. So I'm using 4 cups of rice, and the beef that I'll first of all just add salt in the beef. I will be putting in the cornstarch. Add the brown sugar. Add cookie wine. This is Maggi liquid one. Add a little bit oil. My reason of not telling you how many cup of things I am using, so I believe, I don't know, for example, now I'm doing using 2 spoons of salt to season this. Maybe that because I don't eat so much salt. So if you are the type who eats salt a lot and then you end up using that two spoons, and you might not like it. So I prefer to gauge something, add as you keep you need more, you taste however you liked it, but I just give you basic of what I'm using, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys all. So I will be washing the rice 4 to 5 times. I'm not going to be using pot to boil it. I'll just use this rice cooker to do it. Almost 1 spoon like this, not full, to fry it. I'll wait for it to be a little bit done and kind of little bit brown too before taking it out. So I can take this one out now. I like the way they brown. I will add another oil, like this amount, because we still have some leftover inside. I will be seasoning the mushroom. Just a little drop of this Maggi liquid. This one is salt, just a little bit. I will turn it on. At this point, I off the stove. I'm doing it with high speed, so I will be able to leave here earlier. I'll just pack it out. So this is the one we do so far. I will just I'm doing this mushroom, then I'm boiling water there to make the broccoli. just give it a little bit time. Taking off the mushroom now. You won't let it to be soft. Just wait for like 2-3 minutes. You take it out. Okay. Wow. Before the onion start burning. Now we just do the carrots. So the water is boiled now. I'll be putting the broccoli inside for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And if you think your stove is too hot for you to stay, for the broccoli to stay 2 minutes, take it out before 2 minutes. Actually, hot water can cook broccoli. I pull off the stove. I'm taking the broccoli, the carrots off now. I will be mixing the teriyaki sauce and the soy sauce together now. If you want yours to be maybe a little bit sweeter, you can add honey. But I will not be adding honey on mine because remember we already used that brown sugar, so I don't want too much of stuff. This is the liquid Maggi, so that's the remaining one. I mix them together and then also add this cup of water. Mix as many as you can, but this is the amount I need. I'll be using this amount of oil. And I will add this. The oil is not hot yet, but I'll just add the garlic inside. Stir. I just add the onion. You can cut any size of onions you like. This is the shape and size I want for mine. So I'll put the beef now. I will be putting the minced water and the liquid we mix together. The teriyaki sauce and the water and all that we mix together. So I just add it. So I still have a little bit remaining here. I just want to wash it first, then I know what I want. If I want it to be a little bit watery, then I can add to it. But if I want it like this, I will just leave it. This is the remaining cookie one. I just add it. You taste first before you add the remaining salt. You might not need it. So I will be putting the carrot and the mushroom now. And the broccoli. This is how it looks like here. You have a little bit juice inside, not too much. Ready? The stove is already off. The rice is ready. You wanna cook up, but no. You wanna cook your pussy, you wanna cook your for it, call me mommy, she go run it up. Oh yeah, rice, pass me the time and beef. I'm a kick out, show you what can do.